Hello there. I'm going to do a little on how to get USDT true dollar value and how to use that on Cloud Token Wallet. Now, why? Because we all know that the crypto market is volatile. If you want to start with crypto, we tell everybody to start with $1,000 or more. Why? Because listen, when you put in Bitcoin or Ethereum, if 30%, it might go to 600 or 700. Well, this way you're covered because you always have to remain over 500 to get paid from your team, right? Well, what happens if you go under 500, you don't get paid from your team. So in crypto, we tell everybody to start with 1,000. If they don't have 1,000 or more, we tell them to start with $900. If they do not have 900, we tell them to start with 800. If they want to start with less than that, like 600 or 700, well, they have to be ready that if it goes under, they have to add more in. If they say, okay, no problem. But if you get somebody who says, you know what, listen, Luigi, I only have $550, not 500 because you need the fees also. So at least 550. And I don't want it to go up and down. Well, the solution is True USD. It's a stable coin. Easy to do. First thing that you have to do is you have to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, right? Wherever you buy it usually. Once you have bought your Bitcoin or Ethereum, I want you to download the Exodus wallet. Exodus is EXODUS. Exodus wallet. So you go to Google, just type in Exodus wallet and it'll show up. You download this beautiful wallet. I love it. It's user friendly, especially for newbies in crypto. Everybody should use Exodus. You can have it on your laptop or your phone. Now, I'm on my laptop right now, and what we're going to do is we're going to convert $900 of Canadian money to USDT. So it's very simple. I'm going to go right here where it says settings. I'm going to change the value of my USD dollars to Canadian. So I go to settings in my Exodus wallet. And I'm going to go to here, right here, USDT. I'm going to put Canadian dollars because I want to have my calculation for myself. So let's go back to wallet. Right here on the left side, you have portfolio, wallet, exchange. Wallet, you have all your different cryptos right here. You can see that I have Ethereum, I have Bitcoin. Now let's add Bitcoin also, Bitcoin Cash. So let's go to exchange because now I want to exchange some Ethereum or some Bitcoin Cash to USDT, whatever it is. So once you have purchased your crypto and you want to change it to USDT, so this way you put in 550 in your Cloud Token wallet and it remains 550 or whatever the amount you want to put in. And it doesn't go up or down. So for those who want to come in and don't have to worry about it going up or down, use USDT. Or else, if you love the highlight or the fast road of crypto, it's exciting because you know that it goes up, you make even more cloud. So I advise, and I'm an advocate of crypto. Everybody should join with crypto. But for those individuals who do not have a lot of money to get started, and listen, if they only have $550 or $600, you don't want it to go down to 400, so they have to add more money. Tell them to use USDT. So very simple. You come here to exchange. So you decide, what are you exchanging? Ethereum, Bitcoin, what is the coin that you have that you want to exchange? So let's say I want to exchange my Ethereum to USDT. So I start by finding Ethereum on the left side, and on the right side, you can choose right here, all the different. So I want to go get TUSDT. This is the one that we're using in our Cloud Token wallet. So once I did that, I want to choose how much Ethereum do I want to exchange to USDT. So right here, you have the dollar amount. And here you have how many Ethereum. So I'm going to put the dollar amount because I want $900 of USDT. It's going to give me, so I'm exchanging 3 point something Ethereum. It's going to give me $877 of Canadian money to exchange it. There's a little fee of it. So right here, I go to exchange. So let's wait for it to exchange now. We'll see how long it takes. If it takes too long, I'll just put it on pause and I'll come back after. You will receive so much money in the next 30 minutes. So what I'll do then, we'll just put it on pause, okay? And when it arrives here, I'm going to go to our Cloud Token wallet and we're going to send it there. So the next thing that I want to do is this, okay? I want to go to my Cloud Token wallet where I created my account, and I have to go get the address where I'm going to be sending the USDT. So let's go to stop sharing right here, and let's go to share my phone screen. Now, you installed your Cloud Token wallet. See, there's no money nowhere. Now, what do you want to do? You want to start with USDT, right? So here you can see you can start with Bitcoin, you can start with Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, you can start with Ethereum, you can start with USDT R. See, there's two USDTs, eh? There's USDT ERC20, and there's also the blue one here, the TUSD. The one that we have on Exodus is this one here, the blue one here, TUSDT. So don't make a mistake between the green one and the blue one. So the one that we have on Exodus is this one. So right now what I want to do is I want to send the USDT that I converted in my Exodus to this wallet to put it in the project. So I click on the USDT. It's going to give me my deposit address and my withdrawal address. So I want my deposit address, right? So I click on deposit. It shows me the big wallet right here. This is 0x0B. This is your wallet address. So I'm going to go to copy, and it's going to say copy to clipboard right here. Now, once it's copied, I'm going to go put it on my messenger, so I'll be able to go retrieve it when I'm on my computer, because now I'm on my phone, and from my phone, I'll be working from my computer to send the money. So my trick is using somebody's account. Like I take my mother's account here. It makes my life easier. So I go to my mother, and I'm going to paste in the wallet that I just copied on the. So here it is. So this is my USDT wallet right here. Now, when the money, so let's just stop here. Let's go back to sharing right here. So now I have my wallet. Let's go back to our Exodus right here and see if the USDT has arrived here. So I'm just going to go to wallet right here. You can see that I have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum. So the USDT has not been converted yet. As soon as it's converted, I'm going to see it here in wallet. You'll see Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and I should see USDT show up. When it's ready, we're going to send that USDT to the address I just sent to my messenger. So basically what it is I'm going to go to, right here, share. I'm going to go to my messenger where I sent the address where I want to send the USDT. Let's go to Yolanda right here. Copy this address. This is my USDT receipt address. Copy it. So now I am ready. As soon as this money shows up here, I'll be ready to send it. So in the meantime, you know what we'll do? We'll put it on pause. Okay, we'll put this on pause, and we'll come back as soon as the money has been converted. So pause recording. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, we are back. The True USD has just hit my Exodus wallet. If you look right here, I had Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and True USD just hit here, $670 US. Well, now what I want to do is I want to send this to, remember the address that I copied on my Cloud Token wallet that I put into my mother's messenger to be able to go get it. Oh, this is not right. I have to go find USD here. Wait a second. So I go to my wallet. Let's go find True USD. True USD, here it is, here, True USD, this is the one. Make sure that, remember when you're sending crypto to crypto, if you don't send it to the right place, you lose everything. So now send True USD, send, it's the blue one, look up for the logo. I'm sending the wallet here, it's not your ERC. How much am I sending? I'm sending the whole amount, which was the remaining balance, which was True USD, $670. So that's what I'm sending here. Okay, so send. Now, we sent this money. Okay, now the next thing that I want to do is let's go to our Exodus wallet. So stop sharing. I'm going to go share my start broadcast. Let's go back to our Cloud Token wallet. Now, let's go back to our super wallet. You know the super wallet. This is on your main page, your super wallet. This is where you receive your Cloud tokens, your Ethereum, your True USD ERC, but the one that we want is the blue one here, which is a little bit lower. It's called TUSD. Now, I sent my money right here. How long is it going to take? I don't know. Let's just click on it to refresh to see if it still arrived. Yes, it arrived. Look at that. We just sent it live, and it arrived immediately. So True USD is instant arrival. Does not take time at all. Now, step number 2, once you've funded your True USD, you want to go to your project. So your project is right here. You'll see project returns. So I'm going to click on project. I'm going to activate it, right? We want to activate the True USD. So I click on the Jarvis space here. I'm going to accept terms and conditions. Right at the bottom. I'm going to go to participate. And we're going to wait for the new wallets to show up. So right here, these are the wallets for the projects. This is where you're going to see your money in the trading. This is where you will see the amount. So example, if you put in $600 of Ethereum and you want to go see how much Ethereum is there because it goes up and down, you'll see it here in the project wallets, not in the super wallet. Now, your True USD, what's nice is that it will not move up and down like your other cryptos. It'll remain. So what I'm doing here, it doesn't show up. It doesn't matter. You just click on it. You click on it, and it's going to open up another window. This is to activate the project. You see your money is here, $670 US. So I'm going to click on maximum and proceed. That's all. Maximum. Proceed. Now we wait for the confirmation to say that it's done. Insufficient credit gas fee. Okay, what is that for? Credit gas fee. Let me see here. So if I'm going to go back to my True USD, oh, it's asking me a 0.0016 of Ethereum to be able to add the USD fee to it. All right, I saw. So we need to have a 0.0016 of Ethereum to actually add the USDT. So I'm going to put this on pause. I'm going to send a little bit of Ethereum here because we have no choice. That's the only way that you can do it. So what I'll do now is this. I'm going to back up. I'm going to back up to my wallet. I'm going to go back to my Ethereum wallet. So I'm just going to back up. So right here, Ethereum, this is your super wallet. Remember, this is where you fund your account. So unfortunately, I need a little bit of fee. So I'm going to send here Ethereum. And I want my receive address. So I'm going to go to deposit to get this address. Deposit. This is my address. I'm going to copy it. Copy to clipboard. I'm going to go back to my mother's wallet, my mother's messenger. And I'm going to put in the wallet for Ethereum. So now with that, I'm going to go there. I'm going to send the Ethereum. So let's just stop here. Share. Now go back to my wallet. So just before that, I want to go to my wallet here that I just copied. Copy. This is the Ethereum wallet. Okay, let's go back here to my Exodus wallet where I have some Ethereum. So Ethereum right here, I'm going to click on it. I'm going to send the address where I'm sending it Ethereum to my Cloud Token wallet, 0.006. So 0.0016. I'll send the 0.002. So which is like 56 cents. Like it's not much, eh? 0.002 of Ethereum is like 56 cents. So it's kind of sad that there's a little bit of a fee. It's not much, but you need that little fee. So 0.02, so it's $5. So I'm just going to make sure I'm going to send 5. So now I'm sending that to the wallet for Ethereum. Okay, now let's go back to my wallet on Cloud. Start. I want to redo my Zoom because I have to just log back in. Join. 199. So it's asking you a little bit of a fee to be able to use USDT of Ethereum. So for those who are going to have some trouble doing it, now we know why. 499. Showing without video. Now share my screen. I'm going to stop sharing the screen. So, okay. All right, we are almost there. Okay, so let's go back to my Cloud Token wallet now. I think the Ethereum should have arrived already. It doesn't take usually that long. So let me just go to my Ethereum wallet right here and see if it arrived. Click on it. Is it going to show up here? Yes, it did. So my Ethereum has showed up. 0.002. I sent $5 into it. I sent $5 to it. So here it is. Okay, my Ethereum showed up. So now let's go do that USDT. So I have my little bit of fee of Ethereum to be able to activate it. And I also have my USDT. All right. So if you're doing that for somebody, I'm sorry, but you're going to have to help them send a little bit of Ethereum to cover that little fee. Hey, it's in your interest, okay? If you want somebody to be under you, only has $600, you're putting USDT so that person does not have any troubles in the future where they'll always be over. And it's good for you because if they always stay over, you always get paid on them, and they always get paid on everybody. It's worth that little bit of a hassle to send that little bit of a fee here in Ethereum to that person so they can actually do it. So it's up to you as an individual to take care of that person. So now let's go back to project right here, and let's go do it because now I have the gas fee to be able to activate this project. So I click back on Jarvis. I go to I agree, participate. I agree, participate. From there, I'm going to wait till it shows up. Okay, here's my USDT, just right here at the bottom, the blue one, not the green one. I click on USDT, the blue one. It's going to give me the option for maximum and proceed. Here, maximum, proceed. So I click on maximum. Proceed. Of course, this little fee of, look, it's 0.0016. It's not even $5. It's only like 50 cents of fees. It's nothing. But I put $5. Okay, so proceed. Now, should have enough fees to go through. And let's see here. Did we succeed? Yes, we did. Participation request has been submitted. The block confirmation will take 15 to 30 minutes. Congratulations. So if I go back to transaction history, you'll see right here, it should show up pretty soon. It's processing. USDT processing, bingo, we succeeded. So welcome to the world of cryptocurrency, and welcome to how you actually use USDT to activate a project. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you on the next video.